Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 6 and we are looking at the lower function. Yesterday we saw how to use the upper function to convert a string to uppercase, and today we are doing exactly the opposite of that, where we look at the lower function which converts this string to the lowercase here. For example, this is fully uppercase, this email address, and we want to convert it into lowercase. Why would we do that? One, the simple answer is sometimes it's just ugly to look at the uppercase. We want to, especially for emails, we want to see all lowercase. And also, if you want to use a formula like the find formula. So, for example, I'm trying to find my surname here to see where it starts on. But because I'm using all lowercase and here it's typed with an uppercase, then I cannot find it. But if I try to use this cell, I will be able to find it. So if I just drag this, so here I can find it. So we can also use this formula as part of data cleaning. So how do we do this? Okay, the formula is simple. Equals lower, in brackets, then the only one parameter you just have to pass here, just like the upper formula, is the text you want to convert. So I want to convert text in A1. Then I close my brackets. So this is how you do the lower formula. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.